कम समय में
अनजान
सतर्क रहे।
And welcome to the news. Let's have a look at the headlines. Government rupees 50 crore for salaries. Does uranium notification? Mining. No mine used and Meghalaya police launches anti-terror squad to tackle terror threats. And now the news in detail. Government has stepped in to address the financial crisis of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma announced that rupees 50 crore will be released, rupees 24 to 25 crore from the council's tax share and rupees 25 crore as advance support to clear 12 months of pending salaries. The fund will be deposited into a special escrow account for salary payments, ensuring transparency. GHAC has also appointed an IAS officer as principal secretary, with the Deputy Commissioner acting as ex officio principal secretary.
And based on this report, the GAT and the response phase this have the share of the they will be able to and will be able to sign. They will also accept the appointment and a officer as principal secretary to the GAC and overlook to the financial of the salary to be aspects of financial reforms. Also, it was agreed that the council will be requested to open up an escrow account.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has reaffirmed the state government's firm opposition to uranium mining. Ministry notification that seeks to scrap public hearings for uranium projects, Sangma said the move raises serious concerns. He assured that the state will study the notification and, if needed, take up the matter with the minister. Sangma requests both people and the government of Meghalaya
community and stakeholders. We always stated that we are not in favor of mining of uranium. We are very, very, very clear on that. And we've made this statement very openly, and I'm making it open now also. And as and when required, I will take up the matter at the people is protected.
VPP MDC from Thamai, Winston Tony Lingdo, was elected as KHADC, and the opposition chose not to feed it. KHADC chairman addressing the House, praising his health issues. Thanking his party, colleagues and the people of Nong Thamai, Lingdo pledged to serve with humanity.
Di kajui ke parti song ke parti kadang dia kunju nak kalian kajongi ru kan long kunju dia pendap but kalian dia kajongi kumbangila kumbangitip ru nang di syakmat kan long so
DC Chief Executive Member Winston Tony Lingdor has firmly rejected the state government's proposal to pay council staff salaries. Both the executive committee and the party high command oppose the move. Lingdor urged the state to clear pending dues from mineral shares and provide a one-time. The new CEM will soon submit the list to the court for election.
kalau so serius jumpai ai pelajak asasi council haduk mata kapadai kingship mereka king kepelangan makan ngam no and ka don shisha kata kami sih jingkit kia cai kan di district council ini ya baru district council ini kita ka parti bat nakali yang gajongi du stand gajongi kalong syai na du kesini bani nim dia ya tajing
Squad ATS to handle terrorism-related cases in the state. Inaugurating the ATS office, Deputy Chief Minister said on bomb threats, suspected activities. DIG Davis NR informed that the ATS from the Ministry of Affairs will the currently comprising 2 groups for jungle warfare and urban operations. The unit will be strengthened with training and equipped.
Anti-terrorism led by the case of this. This is the team whose full responsibility. They okay as far as manpower is. Of course,